Goldenbee Global, the beehive of learning.
Hello everyone, myself Sanjana Mahata. I am the primary coordinator in Vibgyor High in association with Goldenbee Global.
Why do you recommend Goldenbee Global?
In Goldenbee Global, we provide integrated curriculum for the experiential learning for our students. We follow 3 different approaches for any particular topic to be taught in the class. We follow theoretical approach, we follow practical approach, and the last one is kinesthetic or hands-on learning experience. We have trained teachers for quality education, which goes through regular and continuously quality assessment. Our USP is our culminating days wherein children showcase their talent by performing and enacting on the topics taught in the class. We have educational field trips at the end of each topic, which gives a practical experience to all the students. Our main aim is to make our students valuable citizens for tomorrow. So enroll your child for Goldenbee Global and give them the best learning experience.
Goldenbee Global, the beehive of learning.